Hi everyone, this is Adam from ESA. Today I'm coming to Deyuan Metal Limited Corporation for visit their company and their showroom. And the next part, I'm going to show you more details of their company. So without further ado, let's get started.
On more than 12 years experience of producing and selling aluminum profiles to overseas market, like window and door profiles, decorative profiles, industrial profiles, as well as many different fabrication products. Currently, we supply surface treatment, including anodizing, powder coating, wooden grain, and other special treatment polishing, bright dip anodizing, and brushing for high-grade decoration application. We can also produce profiles according to customers' requirements, such as drawings and samples. Qualification certificate powder, high quality control standard, consistent and reliable production administration, professional and experienced staff, quick response, and precise service. All this make our company and products enjoy a good name in the overseas market. Till now, our products have been sold to all continents and up to 23 countries.
And here is our showroom. You can see we have different kinds of products in here. And the next part, I'm going to introduce the hot sales items products of our company to you. This is aluminum corner profiles with using of different colors and types of edge trims. It's not only provide the function of protecting, but also make the surrounding of furnishing come to an elegant looking with the connecting of the edge trims. For nowadays modern house designers, tile edge trims, carpet trims, flooring trims, stair trims, joint transition trims are their favorite to enhance beauty and harmony of housing. This is aluminum edge trim profiles. Aluminum edge trim is an extruded aluminum profile that gives a square appearance. This makes it specifically useful when providing a finish edge for rectified, square-cut porcelain, marble, and stone. It is used to protect and decorate the edges of tile floor and wall surface. They are commonly used in all tiling applications and are supplied in a variety of sizes and colors. This is aluminum skirting board. The aluminum skirting profile is designed to sit on top of the floor covering in order to provide a neat finish. This is aluminum skirting board with 6063 T5 alloy, which is available in anodized, powder coating, polishing, brush with different color, and surface treatment, allowing you to create an elegant and refined wall-to-floor connection.
This is aluminum carpet edge trim. Aluminum square profiles trim tile edges stripe for decorative accessories create a beautiful square-edged finish to your project while protecting your tile edges from chipping. It can be used as an asset within the tile field on walls and floors and is ideal for tiled wall corners.
This is aluminum U profiles. Aluminum U-shaped channel extrusions profile edge trim is simple and generous, with smooth lines and a strong sense of metal. It is a decoration, mainly used for ceramic tiles, stone, and wooden plaques, which is installed to surround the tile border. U-shaped trim molding is used in many decorative applications such as exterior cladding, interior decoration, floor partition, wall partitions, and many more places. This is aluminum L profiles, Tile accessories, aluminum ceramic wall corner, trim stripes with holes make for a wonderful finishing touch on your newly completed tiling project. With many different finishes and styles to pick from, you will certainly be able to find the right tile edging to give your project a great finish look, provides a decorative finish and protects adjacent tile edges. This is aluminum T-profiles. This more solid aluminum T-stripe is suitable for the line decoration of wooden furniture, the line decoration of the marble joints, the line decoration of the wall decoration surface. At the same time, it can also be used to connect different media and decorate the gap to make it beautiful.
This is aluminum floor edge trim. This production is for the transition from floor tiles to wooden floors. The conventional caulking and closing methods may not be suitable because wood and floor tiles are two materials. In this case, it is recommended to use edge stripes to close the opening. It will be more concise and beautiful. The aluminum alloy metal edge holder is used as the transition between floor tiles and wooden floors. This is 8 aluminum shower kit. It made in upgrade aluminum material, solid and durable. Double sliding shower door with stainless steel handle, convenient to hang tiles and closes. Built-in steel rollers and makes styles smoothly and quietly. Our aluminum shower kits combines elegance and durability that will stand the test of time and create the space you have been dreaming of. Full installation instruction and all fixings. Easy installation without too many tools.
This is aluminum windows and doors profiles. Deyuan Metal's aluminum windows and doors frame is lightweight, high strength, not easy deform, and good wind resistance. It is high ceiling with very good air tightness, water tightness, heat insulation, and sound insulation. Good corrosion resistance and weather resistance. This kind of aluminum profiles is reasonable design and easy installation. Our production is generous, elegant, and beautiful, with excellent effect. Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. Hope to make friends with you through the cooperation, and thanks for your listening and your watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us in any time, and I will put the website in here. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.